Hey guys, so today's look is around Makeup with Jar in collaboration with Be Perfect Cosmetics Clientele palette. As you can see, I've already done my brows, my face, foundation, powder and everything. So to start, I'm going to go in with Sandy and Dirty Tan. So I want to brush this into my transitioning area, and this is just above your crease. So wherever your eyelid folds, that's usually known as your crease. Tip for the day. Next, I'm going in with this darker brown shade Gigi, and with a more defining brush I'm going to use that to give my crease a little bit more depth and shape and dimension. If your eye shape is a little bit like mine and you don't have much of a eyelid, then you can always fake it. I've put mine just above my natural fold, and that's just to create an illusion that I do have big beautiful eyelids. So this part right here for any eyeshadow look is the most boring yet the most important. You want to make sure that you are blending, girl. Blend, blend, blend. Blend till your hand hurts. After I've blended, I do want to go back in with a darker brown, and the shade is called Bronze. I want to go back in and just deepen that color up, give it a little bit more definition and make it look more dramatic. I love drama. Once you're happy with that shape, you can go ahead and start buffing that out. Make sure you don't have any harsh lines and just make sure everything looks nice and cohesive. Once you're done blending all of that out, grab your concealer, grab a defining brush. I'm using an eyebrow brush from MAC, and you are going to cut your crease. So it doesn't have to be neat. Obviously mine isn't. I'm still a work in progress. So here I'm just carving out my eyelid space, just following the natural curve of my eyelid, and then I'm going to go all the way in to the inner corner. Next, we are going back with the shade Gigi, and we're going to create this halo effect by patting it on the outer corner of the eyes as well as the inner corner. And you just want to leave the center bare for your glitter or your shimmer shade. So once I'm happy with it, I am going to take a lighter shade in Sweet As, which is a little bit of a more pinky color, and this is just going to add a gradient effect to the color as well, and just to kind of soften up any harsh lines or anything like that. Now for the star of the show, you want to take this beautiful shimmery color called Pure Rose and just pat that on in the center of your eyelid. This is going to be like your focus point. When you open your eyes, you can see this beautiful color just shine through. Now for the finishing touches, you want to add your favorite liquid liner. You can do a wing, you can not do a wing. Here I'm just doing a simple cat wing, and then I'm going to add some mascara. Now for my favorite part, this is where I just add a bronzer just around my face to contour, to define, and to shape and sculpt my face, make it a little bit more snatched. And then we're just gonna go in and add blusher, bronzer, some highlighter, and all the rest of it. Last but not least, I am adding this Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color from MAC in the shade Oh Lady. It's a really pretty plum purple color, which I thought would look so nice with this eye look. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment below if you have any questions on any of the products. I will leave the details below. And subscribe to my channel. See ya!